Yo, what's poppin'? It is I, Nathan, just a new guest here. And, whoa, this is the Oakland farm, right? So, how are you guys doing? What the hell is this going on? This is one of the best things I ever did. Wow, you played that? That's amazing. Yep, I play guitar. That's amazing. Wow, that's amazing. We both said amazing together. Holy cow. I loved playing that as a kid. No problem. Alright. Oh, hello. How are you doing?
Hi, my name is Vinni. What's your name?
Hi, my name is Nathan. I just came here yesterday, so just drove here, and I am a personal, professional sheriff. Like used to be one before at this Oakland farm. Welcome to the Oakland farm. You've been welcome here. So what can we do for you?
I have no idea. What can I do for today?
Oh, I have no profession, so it is kind of late. So we'll try see if we could go to bed or something. So that you can hear Halloween. It's a dogs or something. And so Vinny, nice to meet you. And welcome to Oakland Farm. Maybe today we'll show you something what we can do. And I'll head to bed, okay?
Okay.
Alright. So well it is morning. And what's like what is I'm actually new here too, and that's special. So we'll try to get our special work today. Got it?
Got it.
What is this? Wow, that's a nice plane. Wow. Awesome. Wow, that's the nicest plane. Just look at it. Look at it. Wow. This just has to be the most coolest plane I ever seen. I didn't notice that they have a plane. Hello there. What's your name? I'm Michelle. Oh, hi Michelle. What's poppin'? I'm new here. My name is Nathan. Well, how's it going, Nathan? Well, it's going good. Wow, I didn't notice you guys have a plane. That's nice.
Out of bed. I'm gonna see what he's doing today.
Oh, hello. Good morning.
Good morning.
So, how's your sleep?
Good.
That's good. So, look at this field. Isn't it good?
Yeah.
Huh. Can't wait to meet the others. So, this So, Vinny, this is Michelle. You know this girl right there?
Yeah.
So, why don't you meet her?
Okay.
Why don't you get closer so she can say hi?
Hi.
Just wait. Looks like she's like tired for the work she did.
It's getting late. Come on.
Okay. Oh, hi, what's your name? My name is James. Well, hello, James. How's it going? It's going good. So, yeah, it's good. That's good. So, we're gonna head to bed, so that's nice of you, James. So, I've been working with Vinny, so she's also new here, so I hope you meet her too. Alright? Have a good night. You too, man. Well, it's time for me to go to bed too. So it's nice we could do another things one day. So good night. Hello. Hello, Megan. So, your name is Megan, right? So Meg, I'm gonna do. My job is to do the field. Like, is that what I'm doing? So, or so what's poppin'? Your name is Ben, right? Yup. So, my work is to get rid of the grass, right? Yup. Get out. Alright, my work has been finished. So, let's go. Hi, Dorothy. How are you doing? I am doing good. So you're new here? Yep. Alright, you can meet the new animals, okay? Okay. Wow. That's nice. I love this farm so far. Oh, I love it here. Wow, like, why is this cow taking a crap? Why is it doing there? Do it. There's no stand support death. Hope you be better. Oh my gosh. Hello, what's your name? My name is Edgar. Well, hello Edgar, how are you doing? I'm doing good. Just watching those cows and bulls. Oh, that's nice. Alright, so I am the new guest here. So there's a new girl. She's our guest too. Oh, that's nice. Yeah, that's nice too. So we hope she can meet some bulls and cows and other animals, right? So have a nice day. You too. All right. Well.
Wow. Look at these cows. So cute. Really adorable.
Well, hello there.
Oh, hi.
What's your name?
My name is Vinny. I'm new here. Probably the other new guesses he might have already told you about me.
Yup. That's Nathan. So my name is Edgar. I do keep the guide on those cows and bulls.
Okay.
So that's nice meeting you, and have a good night.
Okay.
Turn back. Well, that's a nice friend. Wow, those new guesses are nice. So, you make sure you love animals. And good night. Alright, that's a nice day of work. So, Vinny has new work to do. All she does is go inside. She makes the new stuffs. While the other people are outside doing normal things. Like Sebastian plays guitar. Which is a nice thing. While the other people are hanging around and the grandpa's sleeping. He's just taking a nap. And all the other people are guiding to watch the other animals. So Vinny has looked at the kitchen. She's looking at food or something in the chest. She was interested. And she hopes she likes the new kitchen on this house. Say, it's nice.
It's nice.
What she says, it's nice. And I agree. And while Nathan is looking around with the animals, and he was interested, he looks at the pigs. And they're really nice. That's right. What he said. And we have this new farmer. So, his name is Gil. So Nathan is interested to meet Gil. He met him. And they were so nice. He loves the farm so far. And so do as Vinny. And look at this cute dog. His name is Sparkles. The farm has owned the dog. And that's the most cutest dog. That's what I will say. And I'm gonna say he's cute. They met the dog. And that's a clip I'm showing you. The dog. This is Emily. She is doing the water plant. Or something. And they also have either like other animals. She's also doing seeds as well. She's planting. And we can have it all off. If we could predict, That will be nice. This is unforgettable and incredible. We'll find out. And Nathan is chilling on the chair like the other dude, like Grandpa. Grandpa's chilling on the chair, and Nathan is also chilling on the chair. Sebastian is chilling on the chair as well, just playing guitar, like all I said. And Nathan is having fun, and also Vinny's having fun as well. We can make sure we could tell about it. Nathan will do other stuff later, and make sure he will get the others too. Alright, this is Larry. He's just wandering around. And he's just wandering around like he's just doing nothing, just wandering around. He also meets new people. But he just wears a hazard or something. Because he, doesn't want to get bees all over. Oh, look at the bee. That's nice. And Nathan loves to meet the sheeps. That's all he loves to do. Wow, I love the sheep so much. What he said. Yep, I will stop. Oh my gosh, the sheeps are so amazing. What do they also have in there? That's nice. It was their last day on the farm. They were scared that they don't want to leave. Today is a day that they would get really emotional. All that being said, they will never forget this farm. Now today is their goodbye to this farm. They'll say goodbyes to people. Because as much as they love this farm, they had so much fun. So it is their goodbyes, and it is their time to leave. And Nathan is riding a horse all the way back to the farm. Vinny's going in there to see the bulls and the cows. And she loves seeing them as much as I am. There's so much fun. We love the farm. And Nathan places his horsey in there. And he loves to keep it. It's sad that he has to leave. And also Vinny. It was their last day today. I know. We know we feel. Today is the day that Nathan and Vinny are leaving. While Sebastian is playing guitar, he enjoys it. So do we. As you can see, the look on Nathan's face, he is sad because he doesn't want to go. Neither has Vinny. They at least had fun here. Vinny, I'm gonna miss this place. We had too much fun. We had too much fun. I love meeting with animals, play, and had the fun view at the field. I love this place. I will never, ever forget it. I love this place. I will never, ever forget you guys. I will never forget this place. I love it. It's so nice. And we get to go home. This is farm life.